Hi everyone, we're here today to show you how our Hippybottomus nappies work. So our nappies always come in two parts. We've got the shell with the waterproof outer layer here, and then we've got the bamboo charcoal on the inside, which is nice and soft against the baby's skin. It's very breathable. It is also designed to draw the moisture away from the baby's bottom into the inserts. Our inserts have got 5 layers, the outer 2 are bamboo charcoal, and then 3 extra layers of microfiber on the inside, which means they're very absorbent, but they also dry really quickly when you wash them. And washing and drying is such a big part of using nappies, so we try to make it as easy as possible. So all our nappies are the same style, they just come in different colors and patterns. So to use the nappy, you place the insert inside the pocket of the shell. Make sure it's nice and flat. Our nappies are so-called one size fits most nappies. So you can adjust the size from average newborn of 3.5 kilos up until to 18-19 kilos, by which most toddlers toilet train. To adjust the size, you adjust these 9 buttons, which are the rise snaps, to the smallest setting for a little one. You can wash and dry your nappies like this. You don't have to undo and redo them every single time. This row of buttons is for the leg. So for a nice snug fit on a skinny little newborn leg, you go like this. On the top you can go all the way across, and as you can see, I've made the nappy nice and little, and it's quite little on the legs and on the belly, because quite often newborns have very little legs and bellies. So obviously the nappy is still a bit bigger than a disposable newborn nappy. However, it does not bother newborns, and we get very good feedback how well they hold poo explosion in. To adjust the size, then once your baby grows, usually it's their belly that grows first, then eventually it's the legs, and once they grow in length, you will adjust the rise snaps to the medium setting like this, or eventually leave it all the way open for the largest setting. We do sell nappy liners as well, which come with our nappy stash. They are a thin layer of bamboo. I don't have one here right now. You place them on top and they help catch anything solid and make it a bit easier to clean up. Some people love them, other people don't worry about it. It's up to you if you want to use them or not. When it comes to washing, we recommend that you remove anything solid from the nappy before you put the nappy and the insert in your dry pail, and then you can wash the nappy every 2nd to 3rd day with a natural detergent, something like EcoStore or Wear is great, because they're free of enzymes, perfume, softeners, whiteness. All those things can leave a film on the nappy, and because the fabric is designed to draw the moisture away, if something leaves a film on the nappy, it will block the pores and mess with the absorbency. Also some detergents, if they have too many chemicals in them, can mess with the waterproof layer. So you wash them in the machine up to 40 degrees. The inserts can get a hotter wash every now and then, but with the shell, with the waterproof layer and the elastics, we just don't recommend washing it too hot. And then afterwards you hang them out on the line. If you have somewhere where they get some UV light, that's fantastic. A bit of UV light will help keep them nice and fresh. It also will bleach out any possible stains from, sometimes newborn poo leaves a bit of a stain, which doesn't really matter. It won't cause any nappy rash, but if you have a nice spot outside, it will means the nappy will be nice and clean. At night time, you might want to add more absorbency to your nappy. So we've got a so-called gusseted or nighttime insert here. It's a bit more fitted in the groin area, so as you can see, when you double them up, this is a bit trimmer and therefore less bulky when you do have 2 or 3 of them. So you can put up to 3 inserts into the nappy for nighttime, which makes them a little bit big. It does not bother the baby, and you do have a lot more absorbency. For our nappy packs, we do have our Expo deals available for a short time only for you, because we can't do any expos right now, so we thought we'd bring the expos to you and do a little video, and have our Expo nappy trial pack, bundle and stash available online on our website for you. So our packs come with the nappies, extra inserts, and also some wet bags. Wet bags are these things, so they are made of the same PUL waterproof material, so you can, when you're out and about, put your dirty nappies in there and then transfer them to your dry pail at home. They're good for everything else as well. They're really handy to have. They're nice and big. They come in different colors and patterns. You can see what we have available on our website, and that's about it for how the nappies work. If you do have any question, please send us a message on social media or per email and let us know what these questions are. Thank you.